Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this lovely bauble out of cupcake cases. Let's get started. For this project you're going to need some paper cake cases, a spare bit of card, some sticky glue and string of choice, string or cord, whichever you prefer. Counted out 16 cake cases, so each one of these is going to use 16 cases. The first thing I do when I make these baubles is make a template. So I'm going to take my cake case, fold it in half and just place it on a piece of scrap card, and then I mark the end on each side. Fold it in half again. Place that on that mark I made, one of the marks I made, and draw a line there. So now I know that's halfway between the two. I'm going to do it one more time. On this side, same on this side. I'm just going to draw some lines and I know exactly where I'm going to be gluing. So now we have our lines on our template. We can place our case in the middle. And to start with, we are going to glue the two. So from the centre fold, we're gluing the two outer edge lines. I'm going to do that with every single one, so all 16. Lay it flat, and from the mid crease, glue the two outer edge lines. Next, we're going to start to glue them together. So we lay them on our template, and the glue is going to go down the middle. And I'm also going to glue in a T shape, like this. So we're going to do that for each one. Down the middle and T shape. So keep going until you have stacked all 16 of them together. So now they're all glued and dried, I'm going to pop a stick right into the middle of each side. This just helps you open it evenly. Just prise it open like this. That's looking really lovely, really lovely. So for these ones, I'm going to turn these into a garland. So they can go sideways with a string going through the middle. I have only made this one so far, so I can't show you how that looks at the moment, but I can give you an idea. So we'll have a string going through the middle. And I like these to last a few years, so I shall use paper clips instead of glue to secure these together. So on each side I will slide a paper clip there and separate those from there. And so they will be going, the string will be going through them like this, and then I'm going to do maybe about 10 in a row and hang them in a garland like that. You could of course do them as pom-poms or baubles, sorry, for your tree, or hang them in your window individually. Hang them going down this way in a long garland would look lovely. But I have a plan to hang these this way, and I'm really excited. They look like fluffy snowballs. They work really well, and these lovely crinkled edges give it a real fluffy look. So there you have it. That's how you make those. Please let me know if you've had a go at these and if you enjoyed the tutorial, and I shall be back with more crafts very soon. Thanks guys. Have a Merry Christmas.